AI-powered ad campaign management and optimization. What is AI-powered ad campaign management and optimization? AI-powered ad campaign management and optimization uses artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms to analyze large amounts of data, optimize ad campaigns, and improve advertising performance. This technology enables marketers to automate and streamline their advertising efforts, increasing efficiency, reducing costs, and improving ROI. Key features: 1. Data analysis. AI-powered ad campaign management and optimization analyze vast amounts of data on user behavior, demographics, and market trends to identify patterns and predict consumer behavior. 2. Automated campaign optimization. AI algorithms continuously monitor ad performance, making adjustments in real time to optimize ad targeting, budget allocation, and ad creative. 3. Predictive analytics. AI predicts future ad performance, allowing marketers to anticipate and adjust to changes in the market. 4. Personalization. AI-powered ad campaigns can deliver highly personalized ads to individual users, increasing engagement and conversion rates. 5. Real-time reporting. AI-powered ad campaign management provides real-time reporting and insights on ad performance, enabling marketers to make data-driven decisions. 6. Scalability. AI-powered ad campaigns can handle large volumes of data and scale quickly, making them suitable for large-scale marketing campaigns. 7. Integration. AI-powered ad campaign management integrates with various marketing platforms such as Google Analytics, social media platforms, and customer relationship management systems. Benefits: 1. Improved ad performance. AI-powered ad campaign management optimizes ad performance, leading to increased conversions, sales, and ROI. 2. Increased efficiency. Automation reduces manual effort and labor costs, freeing up resources for more strategic tasks. 3. Better targeting. AI-powered ad campaigns can target specific audience segments with high accuracy, reducing waste and improving ROI. 4. Enhanced customer experience. Personalized ads improve customer engagement and satisfaction. 5. Competitive advantage. AI-powered ad campaign management helps marketers stay ahead of the competition by leveraging the latest technologies.